to last week's Modern Kung Fu. This is Shifu Xíng-Zhě, real-time Kung Fu class. With me training until the end to achieve the license to offer monkey Kung Fu step. Emily,
yeah.
kick me. That's how you got to block and kick back like a monkey. First basically is monkey blocking movement. Blocking by left and right and knee lift. Kick back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Quick note for this one. So when you're blocking, don't go too big. So small. Once punch, and block. And that's enough. So you gotta quick to leave your knee, go boom, fa. And as soon you got knee and kick back, quick, boom. And that's it. Recite. 1, 2, 3, 4, and recite. Present. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, and recite. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and recite. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and recite. 1, 2, 3, 4, and recite. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. tutorial step by step for monkey kung fu, the whole form. So follow me now. The lesson 2. From the lesson 1, last movement, so go punch and you step up. And you go 1, 2, 3, 4, and you go down. And number 5, you go blocking your left hand, you go punch. And you're blocking again. And you go elbow, you turn back this way. And you're blocking your right, and your left. And you're blocking down. And you're blocking, grabbing the leg. You kick low. And once you're landing, you go low. Monkey kick. 1, 2, 3. Step your left. And you go attack. And you finish. Okay, few more times. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and finish. Okay, a few more. Follow me. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Low, dropping, kick low, stay low, kick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and finish. 3 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and finish. 2 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And finish. That's all for today. The monkey kung fu style. Lesson 2. Training 3 days or 5 days a week to achieve your monkey kung fu. I love you all. I see you in next video. And thank you. Bye bye.